Hi, today I'll show you exactly how I sketch a face from scratch, step by step. You can follow along, and with a little practice, you'll be able to draw this as well or even better. Before we start, here are the tools I'm using today. An HB pencil for the basic structure, a Kohinoor 5B for darker marks, and then a simple ballpoint pen for the full sketch. Let's quickly go through the basic anatomy of the face. It's simple, and once you understand these proportions, sketching becomes much easier. The eyes sit right in the middle of the head. That's the vertical halfway point, and the face is divided into three equal parts: hairline to eyebrows, eyebrows to the bottom of the nose, and nose to the chin. The eye line is split into 5 equal spaces: eye, space eye, and 2 small spaces on the sides. This helps you place the eyes evenly without guessing. And the ears usually start at the eye line and the end around the bottom of the nose. This is for a straight front-facing head, which is the angle we're using today. If you're drawing with me, choose a ballpoint instead of gel pen. Ballpoints don't smudge, they layer shadows cleanly, and you can control our darkness just by changing pressure. I'll show you exactly how to use it later in the video. Now I switch to the pen, and look, I marked these tiny dots. These small guide points disappear under the shading letter, but they help keep the proportions balanced. I always start with the eyes because they set the contrast for the whole portrait. No perfect outlines, just short strokes that slowly shape the eye. From the eyes, I drop a line down to place the nose. I keep it soft, the darkest point in the bottom shadow under the tip. Everything else is just adjusted with tiny strokes. From the lips, I darken the corners first. Then I soften the center and pull the shadows outward. This keeps the expression natural. Now the ears, again from the eye line to the bottom of the nose. I keep the jawline light and clean so the face doesn't look too heavy. Let me show you quickly how pressure works with a ballpoint pen. Light pressure gives you soft lines. More pressure creates dark tones. This is why ballpoints are perfect for sketching. You don't need multiply tools. Practice groups of lines like this. It will help you control your value when shading the face. The top line, the lashes, and the pupil blend together and create depth. I shade downward gently so the top shadow melts into the iris. Now I shade the cheeks, the sides of the face, and under the chin. Always start light, you can build the shadow slowly. The goal is to keep the big areas soft and to save the darkest tones for the eyes, lips, and the outline. For the hair, I use long, loose strokes. I don't draw every strand, I follow the direction of the light and shadow. The volume appears naturally once the darkest areas are added. In the end, I deepen the eyes, the lips, the neck shadow, and the outer contour of the face. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me in the comments what part helped you the most and what you'd like me to draw next. Your feedback helps this channel grow and keeps me motivated to make more tutorials. If you want to support me, subscribe to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video.